Hey everyone, it's Sarah. I'm doing something really exciting today. I am trying on and doing an unboxing with Très She. So this is Très She. These are the style Sexting. I love the names, or they have so many different ones. I also have creamy soda. No wait, is this? Yes, creamy soda, which is like a glittery type one, but I'm gonna be using Sexting. Super cute packaging. What you get in the box, you get is a nail cleanser, so it's like an alcohol kind of wipe. Then we've got all the nails here. There is, I think, 24 in a pack, so you are definitely going to find the right size nail to fit on your nail. And then you can use these are optional. You stick them on your nail and then you stick the acrylic nail on, and it's not for long wear. It is usually just if you want to take a photo or maybe just for the day or something like that. Then you've got in here, you've got the glue. This is the buffer. I'll show you how to use that. And then there's also the, what's it called? You've also got the cuticle pusher. So first you're gonna want to push back your cuticles, and then we use, I've heard it's the pink side. So the pink side is to buff your nail, just to prep it for the glue. It helps it stick on, and I wonder. Okay, this is where the instructions on the back come in handy because I wasn't sure. Okay, step 2, buff. Step 3, then you dry each nail with the alcohol wipe. So there we go. If you forget, it's on the back of the beautiful packaging. So nails are buffed, and now we are up to alcohol wipe. Alcohol wipe. Step. There we go. Another important step, which I don't think it matters when you do this, but you need to measure out your nails. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are. Oh my God, it's just like a cute little clear, like transparent kind of pink. Oh, so now we can just grab the glue. I'm pretty sure you just twist it off. Okay, I think we just put just a bit of glue on. Start spreading it out, and then it says hold for like 10 seconds. Okay, one nail done. That is so exciting. Oh my God, it looks so cute. One hand down. Oh my God, that is such a vibe. I love the clear, and that's what's so good about Très She. Is like just the patterns and the styles of the nails are literally so good and like so unique. I would have never picked this, but I'm obsessed. I can pick this last one up for my pinky. I'm done. Oh my God, I'm done. So cute. Oh my gosh. That was so, oh my God, I love this. That was so easy. Oh my gosh, how simple. Like if I can do this, then anyone can. I can't function with long nails. I just can't do anything. Can't text, can't sext. So I actually got the nail snippers. Très She have the best nail accessories as well to like assist with putting them on, making them shorter. Ooh, I love that they're pink. They look pretty quality to me. Insert the nail into the space of the clippers, line it up to your desired length, squeeze the handle, and repeat on all 10, unless you wanted some random long ones, but you don't need that. I hope you enjoy your Très She nails when you get them. Bye!